Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Today we will remove Microsoft OneDrive. We will save all the documents and we will uninstall or delete Microsoft OneDrive from Windows 10 computer. So let's get started. So in the search bar type File and you will get File Explorer. Once you get that, please click on that and click on this PC and then select your C drive here, select the users, select your user account, whatever the user account you have, select that, just do a double click, look for OneDrive. You can select it from here as well, but if you don't have, then go to this path which I told you. Now double click on that and here you will have all of your documents and files. So press Ctrl A, Ctrl X or Ctrl C. So Ctrl X will actually cut the files and you can paste it to the location wherever you want to. And in this manner you will move all the files from OneDrive. Now in the search bar type Uninstall and then go to Add or Remove Programs, and from here we are looking for Microsoft OneDrive. Once you click on Uninstall, it will ask you to say yes and it will uninstall the Microsoft OneDrive from your computer. So if you find this video useful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.